Barbara Brown, and I help people restore their lives to God's original design. When my appendix ruptured more than 15 years ago, that experience taught me to never take my health for granted again and sent me on a quest to achieve and sustain vibrant health for the rest of my life. Abundant, vibrant, unstoppable health and well-being boils down to a few choices you and I make every day that can literally make sickness unnecessary and even slow down aging. These choices determine how good we look, how good we feel. And the only question you and I must answer honestly is, do I believe I'm worth it? I say yes, for sure. When it comes to deciding what to take every day, here's the guiding principle I've learned. Doesn't matter what you take, it matters what your body does with what you take. You and I decide what we put into our bodies. We have nothing to say about what our bodies do with what we put in. What my clients and I take today and what I'm recommending to you has to meet certain criteria. It must be something your body can recognize, absorb, and utilize. It must provide superior benefit with little or no added stress to your body. It must help create and sustain an oxygen-rich internal environment that will enable you to enjoy abundant natural energy throughout even the most taxing days. Build an ironclad immune system that makes sickness and disease run the other way. Support a memory like a steel trap. Laser-like focus and attention. Provide the building blocks for youthful skin and hair. Aid efficient digestion and elimination, and promote deep, restful, and rejuvenating sleep. The Essential Non-Negotiable FIVE are the only solutions that meet all those criteria. That's why my clients and I use them every day, and we wouldn't be without them. Number 2 of the Essential Non-Negotiable FIVE is Juice Plus Fruit and Vegetable Capsules. 25 different nutritionally dense fruits and vegetables grown responsibly, picked at the peak of ripeness, juiced in a pharmaceutical-grade facility, and reduced to their nutritional essence in a proprietary process, and put into capsules and chewable gummies. Juice Plus bridges the gap between what we're supposed to eat and what we do eat. It's considered food by the FDA and carries a nutrition label rather than a supplement label. My co-author, Dr. Tom Taylor, became sold on Juice Plus in 1996 after investigating it for 6 months. He realized that Juice Plus was a bona fide health-enhancing product when he saw the results of blood tests in a scientific journal that showed marked increases in several antioxidants and minerals, plus significant decreases in lipid peroxides, literally rancid fats in your blood. Yuck. Within 2 weeks of taking Juice Plus himself, Dr. Taylor discovered that he no longer needed a nap after his morning patients. He was already taking other nutritional supplements, but Juice Plus made the difference. He learned a major lesson, namely that whole foods concentrated into capsules beats a formulated vitamin or mineral product, hands down. According to Dr. Taylor and many other authorities from all over the world, Juice Plus provides a full spectrum of nutrients as close to nature as possible, and in a form your body is designed to recognize, absorb, and utilize for maximum benefit. Juice Plus has captivated the attention of the scientific community, undergoing more than 30 studies by leading universities and hospitals worldwide, with findings published in prestigious scientific journals on everything from cancer to systemic inflammation, from cardiovascular health to DNA protection, and much more. More research is currently underway, making Juice Plus perhaps the most widely studied nutritional product ever. The Juice Plus Children's Study, which has been underway since 1999, has provided over 500,000 kids with Juice Plus free, with a sponsoring adult for up to 4 years. Among the many discoveries from this ongoing study, Juice Plus kids eat less fast food and more fruits and vegetables. They drink fewer soft drinks and drink more water. They visit the doctor less and attend school more. Juice Plus is a slam dunk for adults and kids for less than a cup of coffee per day at Starbucks. This is Barbara Brown. On behalf of the team at Whole Life Whole Health, thanks for watching, and until next time, make today matter.